Green rain, just as its name implies, it's a golden time for the growth of agriculture. So what are the customs on this day? Let's check it out. There's an old custom in southern China that people drink tea on the day of green rain. The abundant rainfall makes the tea leaves taste fresh and rich in a variety of vitamins. Making tea is a complicated process. An important tip for making tea is patience. It's more than just drinking for pleasure. It's a way of connecting people. It feels so relaxing to appreciate the taste and the smell of the tea. I want to express my sentimental feeling on this special day. Why not brew new tea with fresh fire? Do you chant poems with wine in the prime of youth? The poem is written by Su Shi from the Northern Song dynasty. He expresses a detached attitude towards life, and he's also an expert in cursive script. That's all for today's episode. After the green rain, it's the start of the summer. Actually, summer is my favorite season because I was born in the summer. So, see you in my next episode. Bye bye!